Today is a very peaceful morning, filled with soft sunlight, gentle breezes, and the sweet songs of birds.
I will catch you. No.
Khansa and Quanitah Amma is calling you. We are coming. Oh no. What should we do now? Who did this? It was her. She pushed it. No, he did it. He was playing too rough.
My favorite vase that my friend gave me on my birthday.
What should we do to repay our mistake? Let's call Baba to bring the same vase that we have broke. Baba, suddenly we have broke Mom's favorite vase. Can you buy?
Yes, I will get it.
Yay! Mom will be happy.
Sorry, Amma. It's okay.
Thank you, kids and Baba.
Anything for Amma.
Sometimes mistakes happen, but love, honesty, and family make everything better.